guys, Dan here with Sterling Self-Defense, coming at you another video. Alright, we're going to do a little volume test. We have that, have that gun I'm working on. Got it all fixed, waiting for the Loctite to dry, and then we'll test it out. That DK gun, it was working like crap and built like crap. Now it's got the real parts in it, not the fake, Chinese Alibaba springs. Alright, now we have the Mercy Less Lethal cap mod that was on there. And here's my extension. My regular extension has a little more volume than the BKS bolt. And then my XL, a lot more volume. Now we got some little bit of black dye here. We're going to compare the liquid ratios, the volume, that way. So you can visually see what the differences are. Alright. Mix this up a little bit, get some dye. Alright, I'm going to fill the caps to the top and see who's got more volume. I'm going to put my glasses on. Alright, it's a black cap, so I got to do it slow. Make sure I fill it all the way up to the top. Alright, it's just at the top, about to pour over. Alright, now I'll fill the SSD extension. Alright, fill to the top, just about to spill over. Alright, now the XL. That's going to take a lot. Now the XL kit I don't recommend for mag-fed CO2, obviously, because it takes a lot of air and you're not going to get a lot of shots. It's best for HPA. You can use it on mag-fed, you'll get some super crazy high shots, but you're only going to get about 3 shots. You're not going to get a full 6 out of it. Because it does use a lot more air. As you can see. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to flick it, make sure there's no dye left in this. Alright. This is all empty, as you can see. No dye in it. So I'm going to fill the first one, the Mercy. Take this out. I get every drop. You can see that it is empty. I'll even hold it over it, make sure there's no drips. No drips, you see it. Completely empty. Alright, this is totally empty. Now we're going to do the SSD in the next one. Make sure we get it all out of there. And same thing, you turn it upside down. upside down. That's everything. Everything left in the tube. All right. Now, where are we at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 milliliters. Oh, I had to use black and now I can't see the lines. It's more than, I'll show you guys, it's more than double. More than double. See, I'm all the way up by the 4 there. He's black, I can't see the lines to count them. Hold on, I'll count them on this one. They're 2 different beakers, so let me figure out where it is. Alright, so it's 2 under 4. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they're at 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, the SSD, compared to their 7. So it is double the volume. The SSD extension is double the volume of the Mercy cap. Well, you can see the tiny little bit of volume that's in there. And obviously, you can tell mine is double. So that's why it gets no power. It's got no volume. So this cap is much less than a BKS bolt, because mine is a little over a BKS bolt. Now I'm going to pour this back into here and I'm going to measure the XL. Okay, that's empty. And DK should be familiar with all these tools. I'm sure this is how he makes his methamphetamines. He's good with beakers. Make sure we get all of it out of there. Alright, totally empty. Gonna turn it upside down. Okay, here's the volume of the XL. So it's under 4. This one's triple theirs. As you can see, the volume. Triple that little Murphy, less lethal, whatever thing. So this is, I just letting you guys know, this is why they get no power, these Mercy less lethal, waste of money caps. The volume is barely anything. You know, you're adding just a tiny couple FPS, not much at all. I'm sure it's not worth whatever they charge for these. And mine, double the volume of that one. Just over a BKS bolt. And they're way under a BKS bolt. So, it's basically just giving you a little overstock. Alright, and I'm going to test this tomorrow. I took out all the cheap Chinese springs that he put in it. Fixed all the other things that he did wrong, lubed it all up like it should have been, and I put a real modification on it. The SSD bolt kit, slim body cap, not the XL, the regular bolt kit, which gives you more power than the BKS bolt, more volume than the BKS bolt, and just over double what the Mercy less lethal cap is getting. So, all right, we'll see what the numbers are tomorrow when this is all dried up. Got to give it a good 24 hours for that to dry, and we'll test it out and see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to be a big difference. Well, anything's better than the numbers I got before. And at least this now it'll actually work. I feel bad for this guy. He got screwed over like a lot of other people. But at least he didn't pay as much. A year ago, DK was charged for this same exact setup. He was charging $1,200. Now he's down to $600. So, all right, guys. That's it for this one. We'll see how it goes on the next one. Stay safe.